At Menkes, we care about how our communities affect the environment. And as a member of Canada Green Building Council, we are dedicated to building a green and sustainable future, one condominium residence at a time. Menkes Green Commitment at Gibson Square features innovative environmental initiatives for a clean, energy-efficient, and more economical lifestyle. That includes high-performing comfort systems that use less energy for year-round heating and cooling, along with individual hydrometers for separate hydro billing. All suites are built with energy-saving construction materials, including superior insulation, argon-filled low-E windows, energy-saving lighting, and low-volatile compound paints and adhesives for healthier indoor air quality. In addition, there are high-pressure, low-flow shower heads, faucets and dual-flush toilets for water-conserving efficiency, premium quality Energy Star appliances, including front-loading washing machines designed to conserve both water and detergent. A convenient, all-off lighting switch is located at the entry to each suite for further energy savings. Plus, there are many other eco-friendly features that not only make each Gibson Square suite green, but the entire community as well, along with helping protect our planet for future generations.